In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to database restore Bluehost. If your site is showing errors after a bad plugin update, a migration hiccup, or accidental edits, restoring your database can quickly bring things back to normal. Before we start, make sure you have the correct MySQL database backup file ready on your computer, usually a .sql or a compressed .sql.gz file. Keep in mind that restoring will overwrite the current contents of that database, so if you can, create a fresh backup first to be safe. Begin by going to your Bluehost My Account dashboard and signing in. This is your central hub for all hosting tools. Once you're in, click on Hosting. This takes you to your hosting panel where you can access the controls for the website you want to fix. Next, click on cPanel. cPanel is the control panel that manages files, databases, and backups for your hosting. If you have multiple sites, be sure you're opening cPanel for the correct one associated with the database you intend to restore. Inside cPanel, find and click on Backup. This tool handles both downloading backups and restoring them. You'll see sections for files and for databases. We're focusing on the database restore. On the backup page, click on Restore a MySQL database backup. This section is designed specifically for bringing a database back from a previous export. If your site runs on a CMS like WordPress, this is the database that stores your posts, pages, users, and settings. Now click on Choose File, browse to the backup file on your computer. Double check the file name, and if you know it, confirm it matches the database you want to restore. Using the wrong file can replace the wrong data, so it's worth a careful look. Compressed files are fine as long as they were exported properly from the original database. With the correct file selected, click on Upload. The restore process will begin and may take a moment depending on the size of your backup. Avoid navigating away while it runs. When it finishes, you should see a confirmation message indicating the restore completed successfully. At this point, visit your website to confirm pages load as expected and that your dashboard or admin area reflects the restored data. If your site uses caching, you may need to clear any plugin or server cache to see the updated content right away. That's it. You've restored your Bluehost MySQL database using cPanel's backup tool. Keep your backup files labeled with dates and store a copy off-site, so if you ever need to roll back again, you can do it quickly and confidently.